Nah, I heard a cough. That's it. I'm moving to the forest. The beak is medically accurate. Trust me, bro.
No flower in 4 days, but I still look kinda ethereal.
They told me garlic stops the plague. Now I smell like rotisserie failure.
We tried praying. Plague said, L-O-L, no.
I've been inhaling pure rosemary for 7 days straight. My lungs are cured. Just clearing out the toxins.
Y'all really think the plague is real? That's cap. I've been licking frogs for immunity.
They blaming us, but we just vibing.
They said it wasn't that deep. Ooh, now we 6 feet in. El Village.